Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have scrunchies, hair ties, headbands? Don't even get me started on the bobby pins. Just all kinds of hair accessories scattered everywhere. Or even with all of them just somehow disappearing. I only say this because I had the same problem, but I designed and 3D printed the solution, which is this, a custom hair organizer. Not only does it keep everything in one place, I might just add it to the list of one of my favorite builds yet. In this video, I'll show you how I designed it, some of printing it, but most of all, I'll show you how it works at the end. I started out by taking the caliper and measuring out everything I wanted the organizer to hold. Then I got those measurements into plasticity, created a printable thickness, and extruded and filleted. My partner gave me the idea of adding a crown feature in a drawer for all the things I don't really use on the daily. Now to get it all printed and put together. After printing, I used CA glue to connect everything together and then put in the drawer. And here it is, the crown hair accessory organizer. I really like how it holds all the stuff I use and it's all in one place. And what do you think? Would you do anything differently? Let me know in the comments. Until then, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.